Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Red.Pay physical card ATM cash withdrawal failed. So if you have went to the ATM and you have tried to use Red.Pay withdrawals and the transaction got failed, or you are not able to withdraw or convert your crypto into cash, you can just simply check this particular setting that is very crucial for the transaction to be successful. So first of all, simply launch your Red.Pay application, then log into your account if you haven't already. Over here, tap on the cards section and then select your physical card. Underneath your physical card, you will be shown this type of settings, so you just have to simply tap on it. Now over here, tap on the option of security settings. Then when you are inside the security settings option, one of the options here would be of ATM cash withdrawal. So you need to simply tap on that particular option and turn the toggle button on. Now once this is done, you need to go to the ATM again, and again you need to try to cash out the cryptocurrency and see if the transaction failed issue is gone and the transaction was successful. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.